Okay, let's talk about something that a lot of men deal with, but almost nobody wants to talk about. I'm talking about that moment, that sinking feeling of embarrassment when your body just doesn't cooperate in bed. It's frustrating, it's a silent struggle, but what if I told you that the secret to getting that strength back isn't in some pharmacy, but it's probably sitting in your kitchen right now?
You know the feeling, right? Your partner's there, everything feels right, but your body just decides not to show up. And in an instant, all that confidence just drains away. It's a feeling no one should have to put up with. And today we're going to talk about how to change that for good.
So what's the usual route? A lot of guys secretly turn to those little blue pills. But let's be real here. What are they, really? They're a temporary fix, right? They work for a few hours, but they often come with side effects, headaches, a racing heart, and when they wear off, you can actually feel even weaker. We're not looking for a Band-Aid. We want a real, permanent solution that works with your body, not against it. And that solution is so much closer than you think. In fact, it's been hiding in plain sight this whole time. This isn't about some new age magic. This is about using what nature provides to help your body heal itself and get its strength back for the long haul. Okay, let's get into it. First things first, if you want to fix a problem, you have to understand the real cause. So why does this even happen? Well, it's usually not about desire or some kind of mental block. The answer is almost always physical, and it all boils down to one single critical process in your body.
And that process is blood circulation. It's that simple. An erection happens when blood rushes from the heart and fills the tissues in your private parts. If something is blocking that flow, it doesn't matter how turned on you are. The physical reaction just can't happen. Think of it like a simple plumbing issue.
And this clogged pipe analogy is the perfect way to picture it. Imagine your blood vessels are like pipes in your house. Over the years, things like cholesterol and toxins start to build up on the inside, kind of like gunk. This makes the pipes narrower and it blocks the flow. You wouldn't get strong water pressure from a clogged pipe, right? Well, it's the exact same principle for getting a strong erection from a clogged blood vessel.
So the mission is clear. We need to clean out those pipes from the inside. And believe it or not, we can do that with two incredibly powerful, totally common ingredients that I guarantee you have in your kitchen at this very moment.
Yep, that's it. Lemon and ginger. You've probably used them 100 times to flavor your food or tea without ever realizing their incredible power. These two are the absolute heroes of our story, and when you put them together in the right way, they become this amazing force for restoring your body's natural strength.
Now, I know what you might be thinking. Lemon and ginger, really? How can something so simple fix such a big problem? Well, stick with me, because this isn't an old wives' tale. This is backed by real hard science. Let's break down exactly what these two ingredients are doing inside your body. Okay, so inside ginger, there's this powerhouse compound called gingerol. What it does is act as a natural vasodilator. Now, that's just a fancy word for something that makes your blood vessels wider and more relaxed. Sound familiar? It's exactly what those expensive pills do with chemicals, but ginger does it totally naturally, thinning the blood a little and opening everything up without any of those nasty side effects.
And the result of that? Well, by widening those vessels, ginger unleashes a rush of blood flow, especially down to your pelvic area. When that blood can flow in freely without anything blocking it, the result is a strong, firm, and long-lasting erection. It's your body just working the way it's supposed to. Okay, now for part 2 of our power duo, the lemon. If ginger is the one opening up the pipes, think of lemon as the ultimate pipe cleaner. It is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that literally get in there and scrub your blood vessels clean. They dissolve all that built-up cholesterol, fat, and other junk and just flush it right out of your system.
And there's one more piece to this puzzle, and it's a game changer. It's a gas called nitric oxide. Seriously, scientists actually call this the king of erections because it's the signal that tells your blood vessels to relax and let the blood rush in. And guess what? The vitamin C in lemons gives your body a massive boost in producing its own nitric oxide. So you're not just cleaning the pipes, you're making them more flexible and ready for action.
So we've got our heroes and we know the science behind why they work. But this next part is maybe the most important part of all: how to prepare it. Because if you don't make this drink the right way, you just won't get the benefits. So you're going to want to pay close attention here.
All right, let's walk through it. First, boil 1 glass of water. Now take about an inch of fresh ginger and make sure you either crush it or grate it. Don't just slice it up. Crushing it is what releases all the good stuff. Let that simmer for about 3 or 4 minutes until the water turns that nice golden color. Then, strain it into a glass. And this part is absolutely critical. Let it cool down until it's just lukewarm. Only then, once it's cooled a bit, do you squeeze in the juice of half a lemon.
And please, please remember these rules. Never, ever add lemon juice to boiling hot water. The heat will completely destroy the vitamin C, making it pretty much useless. Also, do not add any sugar or salt. Sugar is a known testosterone killer. If you really need some sweetness, 1 small spoon of raw, pure honey is okay. In fact, it's great because it'll give you an extra energy boost.
So when's the best time to drink it?
For maximum results, you'll want to have this twice a day. First, drink a glass in the morning on a totally empty stomach. This is going to kickstart a full-body detox and keep your circulation boosted all day long. Then have your second glass about an hour before you go to bed. This will help calm your nerves and specifically direct that blood flow to your lower body, getting you ready for the night.
But here's what's so amazing about this. When you fix your circulation, you're not just solving one problem. You're basically giving your entire body's engine a full tune-up. And the positive changes, they're going to show up everywhere. You're going to start to notice that stubborn belly fat beginning to melt away. Annoying issues like gas and acidity? Gone. You'll see a healthy glow come back to your skin. And your overall energy and stamina will go through the roof. You won't just perform better at night, you'll feel younger and more powerful all day, every day.
So the takeaway here is pretty clear, right? It's time to stop wasting money and hope on all those temporary fixes. Real, lasting masculine strength comes from the inside. It comes from improving your diet, getting just 30 minutes of exercise a day, and making this incredibly simple drink a daily habit. It's about taking back control of your own body.
Look, this isn't about becoming some kind of machine. It's about restoring your body's natural power and vitality. Feeling weakness can happen to any man, at any age, but staying silent and living with it, that's a choice. So what do you say? Isn't it time to start this simple routine today and reawaken that powerful, confident man that you know is still inside you?